Hey guys, I'm back. I thought I'd answer a couple of questions I've been getting from a lot of people that have been asking me, Chris, what should I be studying? What should I be learning about? Should I be learning NLP? What modalities or what expansionary tools should I be learning? And I have a really simple answer for that now, which is, if you haven't already done Project Limitless, do Project Limitless. If you want I would say, the most powerful 12 weeks of your life where you turn personal development into a daily habit, where you integrate a lot of the intellectual learnings that we tend to read about and on some level know, if you're wanting to turn the learnings into a habit and integrate them and embody them, this is the best way that I know how. So this is the arrow tip of my life's work. This is everything that my life has been building towards. And Project Limitless is a container, which is a community. It's a series of masterclasses. It's daily tasking, daily activities, daily reflections, daily integration for 12 whole weeks of the most important transformational principles of life and business together. So it is a reshaping of your identity. It's a transformation of what you are at your core. It is a stripping away of the layers of illusion, of limiting beliefs and limitations and things that you've picked up along the way that are just not you. It is a rejuvenation. It's a reinvention of who and what you are. It's getting clarity on your true purpose. It's helping you get clear on what's truly important. It's helping you understand, how do you eliminate the distractions, and how do you get more focused, more productive? Not from a space of working harder or hustling more, but from a state of inspiration, from a deeper state of knowing that you're following the path that's in alignment with your true calling. So we're tapping into a deeper level of purpose, deeper levels of focus, and we're not about hustle or willpower. We're more about being in flow and being inspired. And so I get to share the best of my tools in my tool chest of transformation, of productivity, of helping people tap into what's truly important to them and helping their soul's expression come alive. That's what Project Limitless is about. And on the journey of getting to a greater level of, I would say, discipline, productivity, purpose, clarity, motivation, earning more money, having high quality relationships, doing more of what you love and having more time for the things that you love. On the journey to getting there, you're also going to be empowered in a community of like-minded people that are all going to be supporting each other along the way. So if you value community, if you value accountability, if you value being part of a program whereby not only are you going to get the support of myself, but you're also going to get the support of one of the coaches who I've personally trained up as well, who's going to be in the group providing personal coaching as well. You're also going to be getting a whole lot of reference information, reference material, teachings, tools, my self-coaching model. You're going to be getting basically everything that I can throw at you and give you to support you and empower you. You're going to be getting it. And the great thing about it is that every single class is recorded. All the content is created and put inside an online portal, so you have 24/7 access to everything that you could ever need for life, and which means you can rewatch all the content as much as you like and relearn and reapply everything as much as you could possibly ever want. So Project Limitless, it's the real deal. It's the flagship program that I now present. I'm excited because I get to jam it full of all the best content that I could possibly ever think of. And in the space of 12 weeks, the inner transformation as well as external transformation that you'll experience as a result is going to be very, very noticeable, to the point where you will become a different person. You will evolve. You will come out the end of 12 weeks being a totally different person. And I have so much certainty in the experience that you're going to have and the transformational effects of this program that it comes with a full money back guarantee. If at any point you are not 100% satisfied that this program meets your expectations for the value, for what you pay for it, you get your money back. That's how certain I am of what I deliver and the power of what we are talking about here in this space. So if you're ready to transform, if you're ready to take your life to a new level, if you're ready for a greater sense of purpose, clarity, empowerment, greater awareness of who and what you are at your core, and so that you can be more of your authentic expression and embody the virtues and the principles that you hold dear more consistently, more of the time. You're going to love this, because this is going to turn personal development into a daily discipline, into an embodied way of being, and I'm excited to present it to you. It starts in a week's time, so you have 1 week. We have a limited number of spots remaining. If this resonates with you, if you sense on some level that you either resonate with my teachings, what I'm about, my core message, if on some level you know that there's a deeper part of you that you're looking to tap into, as well as if you're looking to be more successful in business or your relationships, being more productive, or just getting the spark back and getting a greater sense of connection to life, well, this is going to be a vortex of transformation that's going to help you experience exactly that. So if it resonates on some level, please send me a message. I've left the link here in the text below, so follow the link, have a look at the landing page, check out the information, and if it resonates, and if you have questions, send us a message. If you want to be part of it, also feel free to enroll while we still have places left. We still have a few places left, so if it resonates, grab a spot, jump in. It'd be an absolute pleasure to have you on this journey. I'll be accompanying you in the journey. I'll be answering your questions. I'll be personally mentoring and coaching you inside the group, and this is going to be one incredible experience. The empowerment, the clarity, the performance that you're going to gain on the other end of this is going to be profound. So I invite you to enjoy the journey into becoming the next version of you. I'm going to leave it at that, guys. If you have questions about Project Limitless, please send me a message. For those that are already in Project Limitless, and Heidi, I know that you're already in Project Limitless. I know there's a lot of others that are already in Project Limitless. We have got an exciting 12 weeks of transformation and life-changing tools, technologies, and principles that we're going to be applying and embodying. So I'll leave it at that. Thank you guys for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you inside Project Limitless. Yes, it's going to be an incredible ride. Look forward to seeing you there, Heidi, and I look forward to seeing you guys there as well. As I said, if you have any questions, please reach out. Speak to you again soon. Bye for now, guys. Much love.